Okay, guys, here's level 7. And this is part 7. And as you can see, the distance bonuses are going crazy, like they were in level 6 for Space Penguin. And it's kind of hard to tell how many distance bonuses there are because they're going crazy. But if you guys can count them pretty good, that's cool. So the coordinate sheets I have for this one is -7, 44. And it may take a little while to plug up because it's it does it a little line at a time. So you may see this screen for kind of like a few minutes so that it can plug up. So I'm gonna find that coordinate and let it go. And the biggest distance I got for this level was 99,080. No, the biggest distance I got for this level was 99,984. And that's usually occasionally. But I don't know what it'll be for this time. But if you could see that screen where it says level blank of 25 complete, then you'll realize what distance I got for level 7 this time. So I'm going to find that coordinate, like I said, which is -7, 44, and I'm going to let it go. So I'm going to find that coordinate, -7, yada yada yada. See, and I let it go. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think there are 7 in this. See, and it's only doing a little line at a time. So this is basically why you'll see this for quite a while. And you see, it's going around a purple planet, which is right here. See where my arrow is circling around? See, and it's already up to 30,000. So it usually gets in pretty quick, but it takes quite a while to get in. Because of the little lines that it's doing. And by the way, in the next 2 levels, when we hit level 9, it may take quite a while, so I'm gonna maybe do a different coordinate, but I'll tell you the original coordinate that I have on my sheet so that you could try it and see how long it takes for you to for the duct tape ball to plug it in for that level. See, because as you can see, when the distance is going, it's sort of drawing a 3-leaf clover. Or it could be a 3-leaf clover, or maybe it's a scary monster. I'm not sure. But do you see the design that it's drawing? I think it's probably a scary monster, except it's with shields covering the eyes and the mouth. Because, as you can see, the top 2 look like the eyes, and the shields are pointed that same way to make the eyes appear. And the bottom one looks like the mouth and because the first two shields, the first one will be placed left, pointing to the left. And then the second one would be, the shield would be pointing to the right. And then the middle one will be placed pointing to the bottom, like how a real shield looks. Because, you'll see my finger for a minute. Because, you see this one is pointed to the left. So that means that it's pointing to the left, so you may... And then this one is pointing to the right, so this is what I mean for the second eye and the first eye. And then the mouth, like this, is how a real shield looks. Do you see where I'm getting with this? If you do, that's great. Oh, and as you can see, it just plugged in. And we got 96,527. And see, it took quite a little bit because of the big distance. So, as you can see, we just finished level 7, and in the next video, we're going to be doing level 8. Oh.